Welcome to the exciting journey of parenthood and childcare. You are on My Baby Fitness. It's time to get stronger. Hey there, moms and dads. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about something super important for all the breastfeeding moms out there: breast milk storage. In this video, we will be sharing some tips and techniques to help you properly store your precious liquid gold. So, let's dive right in. Let's talk about the importance of storing breast milk correctly. Proper storage ensures that your breast milk remains safe and fresh for your little one, preserving its nutritional value and reducing the risk of contamination. Labeling your breast milk bags is crucial for maintaining freshness and keeping track of the oldest milk. Make sure to use waterproof labels and include the date and time of expression, so you know which milk to use first. You can use breast milk storage bags or bottles depending on your preference. Just make sure they are specifically designed for breast milk storage and are made of BPA-free materials. Before storing your breast milk, always wash your hands thoroughly and clean the containers with warm, soapy water. Rinse them well and allow them to air dry, or you can also use a bottle brush to clean hard-to-reach areas. Remember, cleanliness is key to maintaining the quality of your breast milk. When transferring breast milk to storage bags, be sure to leave some space at the top to allow for expansion as the milk freezes. This prevents the bags from bursting and spilling precious milk. Breast milk can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 4 days and in the freezer for up to 6 to 12 months, depending on the type of freezer. Always store breast milk towards the back of the refrigerator or freezer, where temperatures are the most consistent. And don't forget to organize your breast milk by date, so you use the oldest milk first. When it's time to use your stored breast milk, it's important to thaw it properly to maintain its quality. You can thaw breast milk by placing it in the refrigerator overnight or running it under warm water. Avoid using the microwave or boiling water, as they can destroy the beneficial properties of breast milk. After thawing, you may notice that the fat in breast milk has separated. Don't worry, it's normal. Just gently swirl or shake the bottle to mix the layers back together. By following these proper storage techniques, you can ensure that your breast milk remains safe and nutritious for your baby. Properly stored breast milk is a valuable resource for busy moms who need to be away from their baby or want to build up a freezer stash. So, take care of your liquid gold and provide your baby with the best nourishment possible. That's it for today's video on breast milk storage. I hope you found these tips helpful. If you did, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more parenting tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. You may catch us on. Stay curious and stay informed.